In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a turn signal assembly on a Jeep Liberty, located in the front grille. With a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. I'm going to remove the inner fender liner clips with a body tool. Move to the outer. Follow it right around. We're going to go to the back here. We have another one. You'll see the two prongs right there. That's holding that ABS wire on. So I'm just going to go on the back side of it with my tool and pry that off. Grab the fender skirt from the inside first. Pull it away, and you'll watch it peel out from the actual fender. There's one more down here. So this is the turn signal access. We're going to twist and pull the turn signal bulb out of the way. And then you have two mounting screws right here. Those are what we call tin locking screws. It's an 11mm socket. We're just going to spin those right out. So before we pull that lamp out, I noticed here we have some aftermarket lighting. We're going to discontinue that, so we're going to disconnect the connector. Disconnect that. Now we can push the lamp assembly out. Give it a push from the back side. And there's that aftermarket harness that someone put in. Now with our new turn signal lamp, we're going to slide it right in. Lining that up. Putting this side in first. This side will guide right in. We're going to put on the two tin screws. They're like self-tapping. They're little tin screws that cut into the plastic. They're body trim. 11mm socket. Snug those right up. Now we're going to take this connector off the old lamp, push that red tab up, push down on that screen tab. Now we reconnect it up here. Hear it click, and then push that red tab in. That's the same procedure for both sides. Now we're going to reinstall a fender liner. Putting it back here in first. Following it all the way around. I'm just going to put some clips in to make it steady. push pins on the inner fender against that steel wall. Don't forget the push pin underneath. Now we're going to reconnect that ABS sensor connector. And the push pin goes in here. Now we can follow the outer line of the fender skirt, go all the way around. So I put my arm up in so I can hold that inner skirt so I can get that tab to lock in. There we go. Do the same with the last one here. And the last one was a push pin. Install the wheel. Reinstall the lug nuts. $19mm socket. We're going to snug those up in a crisscross pattern. Now we can lower it and torque it to factory spec. The factory wheel torque is 85 to 115 foot-pounds, and I'm going to go right to about 110. Keeping with that crisscross pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.